Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and more specifically tell you and show you both together how to loosen up a skateboard. These will be step-by-step instructions and it will be the easiest tutorial that you'll basically find on this subject. So once again, the topic of this video tutorial is that it will be the easiest tutorial with step-by-step instructions showing you specifically and telling you specifically how to loosen up a skateboard. So if your skateboard is a bit too tight, if you're trying to turn and it's a bit too tight, this is a video for you because you can easily loosen it up. Now, what I mean by that is if you're standing on the skateboard and it feels a little bit too tight, it's not able to turn, it's not able to lean as much as you'd like it to, you can loosen it up. It's really easy to do. Now, essentially, these are the trucks, okay? And these are the axles on the trucks. The axles on the trucks control how much the skateboard is able to lean to one side or the other. They basically control how loose the skateboard is. So they basically control the looseness of the skateboard, okay? Now, if you take a look right here, the axles are connected to the truck platforms by this bolt over here and this nut, okay? And this bolt and this nut basically determine the tightness of the bushings over here, which are these little black pieces over here. So in order to loosen up the skateboard, all that you actually have to do is figure out if you want to loosen both sides or just one side. Maybe one side is loose, one side is not loose enough, or maybe both of them are too tight, but you want to figure out if you want to loosen both sides or just one side. Once you determine whether, which side or sides you want to loosen, you want to take a wrench or anything, anything that will grip this nut over here, and you want to turn it counterclockwise. And I always recommend turning it counterclockwise about a quarter turn at a time, and then sort of maybe stepping on it to see how it feels. So right now the wrench is pointed in this direction. I'm going to turn it counterclockwise a quarter of a turn, just like that. And what I did now is I loosened that nut, which made the truck a little bit looser. And I would do the same thing with this one over here. So I'd go to this one, and I would turn this a quarter of a turn counterclockwise, just like that, okay? And once again, that made it a little bit looser. So now I would stand on the board, see if it's loose enough. If it's loose enough, leave it as is. If it's not loose enough, then you want to take that wrench again and go another quarter of a turn counterclockwise, just like that. So I go another quarter of a turn counterclockwise. Even looser, as you can see, just with my hands, you can tell it's much looser, okay? Once again, if it's not loose enough, another quarter of a turn counterclockwise, just like that, okay? Very simple. And obviously you can go an eighth of a turn, you can go half of a turn, but the more that you go, the looser it's gonna be, and the more changes you will make. So I recommend just doing a quarter of a turn at a time just to sort of feel it out. But that's it, that is essentially how to loosen up a skateboard, step-by-step instructions with the easiest tutorial on the subject matter. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more good videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.